TJ is a sophomore planning to become a teacher. TJ actually grew up right here in Tifton, so he didn't have to look far to find a home in college. Now that he's here, TJ is involved in so many different campus activities. We were just glad to slow him down for a few minutes to tell us all about it. It's all yours, TJ.
Thank you for that awesome introduction, Alex. Growing up in the beautiful city of Tifton, I always knew that ABAC was an amazing opportunity for me to grow and become a better member of society. ABAC is known for its prestigious programs in agriculture and nursing. And when I first arrived here, I thought that was the track I had to take. But when I got to campus and met with my advisor, she showed me all different programs that I could find interest in and that would allow me to grow. On campus, we are home to over 60 different clubs and student organizations, including multiple fraternities and sororities. Fortunately, I have the honor of leading a few of those campus clubs, like Residence Hall Association and our peer support group. I'm also a part of the campus activity board, where we plan huge events for our students. So if you see stuffed bears in the meadows or arcade games in the library, that's probably us. Every semester, ABAC hosts a Club Rush event, where each club and organization comes together to showcase all the amazing things they have to offer and recruit new members. You can also stay active by joining one of our intramural sports teams, hitting the gym and Thrash Wellness Center, or just enjoying some time by the water at our heated Foundation Legacy Pool. When I'm not having fun with friends on campus, I'm actively pursuing my dreams to become a teacher. With the skills that I'm learning in my clubs and organizations, I am confident that I will have a fun and engaging class for my future students. Thanks for listening, everyone, and Alex, take it back.
Great job, TJ. You've proven that there is something for everyone who wants to get involved on campus. That's such a huge part of the college experience and a great way to meet people and learn more about your own interests. Thanks so much.